Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, and College of Agriculture. Ang message ko lang sa inyo is lagi niyong piliin maging positibo at laban lang sa buhay. Good luck and God bless to your journey!
Hello freshmen! Welcome to LSPU LSC. Enjoyin nyo lang yung pag-aaral nyo and good luck sa inyong lahat.
Hi everyone! Welcome to the College of Agriculture. Enjoy your journey. God bless.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus and welcome to College of Agriculture. Good luck and God bless to your journey.
Welcome freshmen to the Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. I hope marami kayong matutunan sa kursong ito and thank you sa pagpili sa kursong Agrikultura. And once again freshmen, welcome and good luck to your journey.
Our greetings freshmen. Welcome to LSPU LSC. I am your agriculture student. Just keep dreaming and keep fighting. Be calm but alert. Just relax but ready. Be smooth but sharp. Be humble but confident. Good day.
A warm greetings, freshmen. Welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. And also welcome to the College of Agriculture. Always remember, what you plant today, you will harvest later. God bless.
Hello freshmen. Welcome to the College of Agriculture. Good luck and God bless.
Good day freshmen. Welcome to LSPU LSC, College of Agriculture. Na nagsasabing, sometimes you lose, sometimes you learn.
Hello freshmen. Welcome to the 2020-2021 academic year. It is my pleasure to welcome all the freshmen students to the College of Agriculture. Good luck!
Hi freshmen. Welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus.
Hello everyone! Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus, at welcome to the College of Agriculture. And God bless at ipagpatuloy nyo lang kung ano man yung nasimulan nyo ngayon. Thank you!
Hello freshmen! Kamusta kayo? I hope you're doing well. Welcome nga pala sa College of Agriculture ng LSPU LSC.
To all freshmen, welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, College of Agriculture. Pakatatag lang sa bawat pagsubok para sa ating pangarap. Welcome and good luck.
Hi freshmen! Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus. Isang malabot at mainit na pagbati ang pinapaabot ko sa inyo. Sana maging maayos at produktibo ang 4 na taong pananatili ninyo sa ating universidad. I wish you all the best and good luck.
Hi freshmen! Welcome to Laguna State Polytechnic University Lopez Satellite Campus and in College of Agriculture. God bless and good luck!
Good day everyone! Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University. I'm Eric Silaya from Bachelor of Agriculture and Technology. Good luck!
Hello freshmen! Welcome to LSPU LSC to the College of Agriculture. Ang mapapayo ko sa inyo, kung marami man dahilan para kayo sumuko, gumawa kayo ng paraan para matupad ang pangarap nyo.
Hello freshmen! Welcome to the College of Agriculture. Enjoy your journey. Good luck and God bless.
Hello freshmen! Welcome to College of Agriculture. Enjoy nyo lang ang inyong pag-aaral. Good luck and God bless.
Good day to all freshmen and welcome to College of Agriculture. I hope you enjoy this course and good luck to all freshmen. God bless.
Welcome freshmen. The LSPU is your new home.
Welcome freshmen. Thank you for choosing LSPU LSC. Welcome to College of Agriculture. Stay safe and God bless.
Congratulations freshmen. Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University. Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa school year niyo.
Welcome mga freshmen. God bless and good luck.
Hello freshmen. Welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Always remember that agriculture is not just about science, it's a way of life.
Freshmen, welcome sa College of Agriculture.
Welcome freshmen to the College of Agriculture and welcome to the Laguna State Polytechnic University, Lopez Satellite Campus. Thank you for choosing LSPU. Good luck and God bless.
Hello freshmen! Welcome to the College of Agriculture.